COVID-19 period to ensure that they get something at least to restart their businesses once again. My name is Nicholas from here, Ngara in Nairobi. Back to you in studio.
Many thanks, Nicholas. Elsewhere, the Kakamega County Funeral Parlor has suspended taking any bodies of people who have died in their homes as COVID numbers rise sharply in the county. The parlor is now only taking bodies from the Kakamega Referral Hospital and other hospitals that have ascertained the cause of death. The number of people dying in their homesteads has increased sharply in recent days.
So in the recent days, we have seen a number of prominent people in Western region dying, most probably here in Kakamega County because of COVID-19. We saw Robert Sumbi, who is the chief of staff in the office of the county government of Kakamega. We have seen Mebu Muruli, who was also the gubernatorial aspirant here in 2017. We have seen other prominent peoples, including Dr. Alushula, dying because of the COVID-19. And most of them, their bodies are lying here at the Kakamega Funeral Parlor, waiting to be buried, most probably in the course of the week. And we have also seen the number of COVID-19 cases rising sharply here in Kakamega County in the recent days, and that's why the county government of Kakamega has tried to put measures in place to try and control the spread of the COVID-19. One measure was the closure of the county assembly, and apart from that also another one was the closure of the county headquarters, because some of the people who tested COVID-19 positive work in the county government offices and they do interact on day-to-day basis. That's why the biggest reason why the county government put some measures in place to try and control that. But apart from that, the most important point has been that this Kakamega Funeral Parlor, which is owned by the county government and under the Kakamega Referral Hospital, has now given out a notice that it will not be taking any bodies of the people who have died in their homesteads. This is because most of the people who are now dying in their homestead, you cannot be able to verify what kind of ailment has killed them. Most probably relatives will come and say they died because of malaria or any other ailment, but apart from that also you can find they died because of the COVID-19. So what they're doing is to put measures in place that they are not taking anybody from the homesteads, only they are taking bodies from the county government referral hospital, which is just opposite this funeral parlor. And thus this is a condition that will continue until they are able to find out maybe other alternatives to ascertain what has killed those people who are being brought in. And this comes in because of what they have witnessed in a number of days. The number of the people who have been dying in their homestead has increased sharply. Most probably in a day they bring in 1 or 2 people, but now they have witnessed even a total of 7 people or 7 bodies being ferried in one night, which has raised an alarm. That's why the management of the funeral parlor has cautioned and has said it will not take any bodies of people who have died in their homesteads without specific and provable causes that can be able to be ascertained if the person died of COVID-19 or not, because there are processes that they do follow when they're handling bodies that of people who have died of COVID-19, and there's a process they follow when handling bodies of those people who have not died because of COVID-19. For example, if you have not died of COVID-19, your body can be embalmed, your body can be dressed, but those ones who have died of COVID-19, they are not embalmed, they are not dressed. So that's why these county funeral parlor has said it will not take anybody so far. If you have died in your home, they do prefer that most probably the family and relatives can come up with a way of speeding up the burial rather than bringing the body here at the funeral parlor, which is also exposing other people to the danger of the spread of the COVID-19. So we'll be following up to see what the county government will be doing in due time, maybe to try and control the sharp rising numbers of COVID-19 in Kakamega.
Many thanks, Lucy. Get sports news now. And Manchester United midfielder Paul Pogba took the blame for his team's 1-0 Premier League defeat at home by Arsenal after giving away the second-half penalty that decided the outcome. Pogba clipped the foot of Hector Bellerin with a poorly judged challenge inside the box, which he described as stupid, and Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang converted the penalty.